Complete Keto Systems. Keto for beginners with 12 life-saving tips about a keto lifestyle. Hi, I'm Dr. Cindy Tant. I had to rescue my brain. I didn't need to lose any weight. I started keto because I was experiencing overwhelming brain fog and fatigue and was causing bouts of memory loss. I'm in my early 60s and I found myself unable to keep up with my workload and getting lost while driving around my hometown. But since eating strictly keto, my mind has been restored and I am feeling incredible.
I'm Patrick. I wanted to lose weight. Over 35 years, I worked in the restaurant business. Never prioritized my own physical or mental health. Since January of 2018, I saw a picture of myself online and said, what happened? I immediately decided to change my career path, and now I apply my cooking chops toward healing myself and others. Since embracing the keto lifestyle, I have lost over 100 pounds in my first year alone.
So what is this keto lifestyle? The low-carb ketogenic diet, or keto lifestyle, I prefer because we know that no one likes to diet, really. The first three letters are die. But we know it is one of the best fat loss meal plans around. When you eliminate carbs from your food, your body must burn more fat for fuel. The results are fast, reliable loss of weight. But there's more to the keto lifestyle than weight loss, even though that's why most people embrace it initially. Backed by science, my expertise, Dr. Cindy, and proven to work, Chef Patrick with his loss of 100 pounds, if you want rapid, sustainable weight loss combined with better health, this keto lifestyle is for you. Why is Chef Patrick and myself, Dr. Cindy, so excited about this lifestyle, and what are those 12 life-saving tips that we want to share with you in this session? Oh, wait, before we get started, I want to make sure you join our Facebook group, Complete Keto Systems. Also, make sure you go to www.completeketosystems.com and get your free 7-day meal plan. And additionally, with everything else, subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Brain Health Systems, for tons of information about the keto lifestyle and many more options upcoming. Chef Patrick, take it away.
Now for the 12 life-saving tips. Tip number 1 is keto meal plans are a natural appetite suppressant. Hunger is the biggest cause of failure in weight loss. When hunger strikes, you want to quit your diet and give in to your cravings. Low-carb meal plans are consistently shown to lead to less hunger and better dietary compliance. Since starting the keto meal plan, I've experienced faster, more sustainable, and easier weight loss.
Number 2, anti-aging. If you stop eating carbs, you reduce the production of insulin. This then reduces the oxidative stress, which is a leading cause of aging. Less oxidative stress means slower aging and less age-related deterioration. Now, a keto lifestyle is not going to make you immortal, but cutting carbs could really extend your life.
Tip number 3, lower blood pressure. Okay, this is personal. I allowed myself to have hypertension and high blood pressure for about 10 years of my life. I knew something was wrong, but like most men, I refused to see a doctor. The result is an unhealthy heart. Blood pressure or hypertension are also known to be a silent killer because they present no outward signs. For many people, high blood pressure only becomes apparent when it causes problems such as heart attack, stroke, or kidney failure. I know a low-carb keto lifestyle leads to a significant reduction in blood pressure and therefore a lower risk of many common linked diseases.
Tip number 4, reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is usually the result of eating too much sugar and too many refined carbs. This leads to elevated blood sugar levels, which is called hyperglycemia. Over time, this causes damage throughout your entire body. Now, by eliminating carbs means lower blood glucose and a smaller risk of developing type 2 diabetes. If you are currently diabetic, adopting a keto lifestyle can help you control your blood glucose levels without the need for medication. Of course, though, if you are under a doctor's care, please make sure you check with your medical doctor if at any time you make a change in your eating or in your diet.
Tip number 5, better cholesterol and triglyceride readings. Keto meal plans, despite being high in fat, have been shown to increase your good LDL cholesterol and lower your bad HDL cholesterol and reduce blood triglyceride profiles, all of which may reduce your risk of heart attack and metabolics. Information on our website at CompleteKetoSystems.com.
Tip number 6, improved energy levels. Most people have fluctuating energy levels mainly because we get our energy from carbs. In ketosis, our body gets our energy from ketones that are made from fat. This means there's an almost unlimited amount of energy available, so you're less likely to experience those fluctuating energy levels and hunger between meals.
Tip number 7, reduce risk of CHD, coronary heart disease, is often associated with high fat intake. However, recent research suggests that refined carbs and sugar are the main cause of high blood pressure, elevated triglycerides, and low good cholesterol, and other problems linked to CHD. Eliminating carbs from your food can reduce or even reverse the risk of coronary heart disease, the leading cause of death in the USA.
Tip number 8, reduced risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Both diseases affect the brain and nervous system function. Studies suggest that adopting a keto lifestyle can slow the progression of these two diseases and may even prevent them. Personally, I saw the effects on my own brain function. In addition to preventing the diseases of the brain, keto lifestyle has been reported to increase mental clarity, increase memory, and improve cognition. It really does work. Tip number 9, less heartburn. Heartburn is the result of acidity in your stomach and esophagus. Just a week after starting my keto meal plan, I didn't have any more heartburn. I've had heartburn forever. And like other people have started onto a keto meal plan, experienced less heartburn. So therefore, no more antacids and no more medications. No more Tums. Tip number 10, decreased inflammation and pain. Lots of carbs, sugar, are often linked to inflammation and pain. Inflammation causes reddening and irritation and swelling, which affects many parts of our bodies, including the digestive system, your muscles, and nerves. Cutting carbs has been shown to be an effective way to cool this inflammation and reduce pain.
Tip number 11, reduce abdominal fat. Abdominal fat is stored around the internal organs and is called heart attack fat. Your waist measurement is an important health indicator. Keto lifestyle has been shown as an effective way of targeting visceral fat and reduces the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes in the process.
Tip number 12, cancer prevention. Cancer cells feed on glucose and carbohydrates. Eliminating carbs from your diet appears to starve cancer cells, preventing them from replicating and growing. Ketogenic diets are increasingly being used in the treatment of cancer. More research is ongoing. Hopefully, we'll be able to get some great results in the future. We hope you see how passionate we are about the keto lifestyle. Food is only one aspect of this lifestyle, but it's the very best part to make a change. Change is tough, and changing what you eat is even more difficult. But we did it, and we believe you can do it too. We would love for you to join our Facebook group, Complete Keto Systems, and make sure you go to www.CompleteKetoSystems.com and sign up for your free 7-day keto meal plan. Oh, don't forget, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Brain Health Systems, where you're going to get much more information, tips, recipes than have to do just with food, but many other things that are coming through our brain health program. So make sure you follow us on our series of videos about the keto lifestyle. And if you want better health, a brighter mind, and loss of weight, make sure you join us. Our videos in the future, we're going to be discussing keto for women and low budget keto meal plans, plus much, much more. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.